Hello, I'm Warrant Officer First Class Coblarian, and today I'll be showing you how to tie a tie, how to wear your belt properly, and how to lace your boots properly. First things first, the tie. What you want to do is you want to take the tie and put it around your neck. Have the big side on the right side and a small side of the tie on the left side. Then adjust the tie till there's about this much of the small tie remaining on the left side. Then take the right side of the tie and go over and across the left side of the tie, creating a cross. Then take the big side of the tie and go under and over the hole created with the cross. Just like that, creating the first half of the tie. Then take the big side of the tie again and go under the tie, just like that. Switch your hands. Then take the big side of the tie and go over and under the hole, creating the second half of the tie. Now, take the big side of the tie again, place your finger on the cross here, and go over in front of the tie. Switch fingers, keep a finger there. Then take the big side of the tie and go under and over the hole we've been going through, and your finger here will create a hole for the tie to go in front for the last time, creating the tie. Now all you have to do is adjust the tie and tighten it up. And just like that, you got yourself a tie ready to go. Now make sure you untie your tie every night in order to avoid obvious wrinkles in the future. Moving on is your cadet belt. Now when you go on to wear your belt on your cadet pants and tie it up, it should be on brass. If it's not on brass, all you need to do is adjust it, and I will show you how. All you need to do is take this part of the belt, turn it around, and release it. You do that by just pulling on the belt right over here, just like that. And now you adjust it according to your own waist size. When you finish adjusting it and put it on your uniform and tighten it up, it should be on brass. And as easy as that. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to lace your boots properly. First things first, take out your boot lace. Grab one end of the lace and put it to the bottom hole of the boot, just like this. What you want to do next is you're going to put it on top of the hole like this, leaving around 6 inches of lace. Afterwards, we're going to take the other end of the boot lace, put it around the hole across the one we put originally, just like this. Then what you want to do is we're going to put it from under the hole above the bottom one, just like this. Then you go across and over the hole and under, and repeat the process to make it to the second half of the hole up here. Make sure to also tighten up. Next, once you make to the second half of the hole, what you want to do is you want to go across to the top hole, just like that. And you got yourself a nice, properly laced shoelace. You can tie it up with a brief knot when wearing your boots. I'm Warrant Officer First Class Coblarian. Now you know how to take care of these few things in uniform. Thank you for tuning in, and goodbye.